Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So you just got Trump today, right? So crazy, crazy, crazy price action. Look at this open 250 points within the first 10, 15 minutes, then consolidation a bit, and then slowly chopping up. What a crazy day today. To be honest, I don't remember anything like this for a long, long time. So, considering the volatility levels, you need to be very, very careful when you are trading this kind of price action. When the market is definitely waiting for Trump to speak. So, Trump definitely changed how the markets behaved. So, this is not the Biden era market. This is a completely different market. So, make sure you guys adapt to these markets before you take any position. So back to the charts, yeah. So we basically had an uptrend until the London close, and then slowly got back down. And after the market close, look at this. Just look at this uh, downside momentum. Look at this sell-off. I've never seen anything like this for a long time. So NQ made almost 5% sell off within a couple of minutes, like 30 minutes, right? On a 15 minute, 1 to 30 minutes, absolutely incredible. Just on the 15 minute, by the way, you can see that we just hit the 618702 level and then had that sell off from the Trump of those tariffs announcements, right? So notice as well we are below the FOMC highs and we are basically continuing downtrend up to these levels. As I said before, the 2021 December high levels. But yeah, I don't think there is much left to the downside before we have some kind of dead cat bounce. But of course. If there is any geopolitical event like the war with Iran, I don't know, some kind of new COVID, or I don't know, some kind of Japan collapse with the carry trade stuff. So I don't know. So I don't see anything major to the downside from here unless some kind of black swan. Moving to volatility chart, this is the 15-minute VIX chart right here. Very interesting that we didn't have any kind of a huge volatility spike, but we had very volatile daily, right, today. So this was because of the VIX, the volatility of the volatility. So look at this spike and the collapse and the chop right here, just absolutely incredible. High volatility levels in the markets right now, which means that you need to be very careful with your sizing, right? Because you can be trumped any moment, just any moment. Look at this. Despite this choppiness, you can see that the volatility is trending downside, right? You can see this channel, right? The downside momentum. So on a bigger picture, as we already spoken about, this is the 618 rejection, and we had another daily volume imbalance right here around 23 area. So I will expect this to close this time sooner. I think, yeah, uh, sooner than we go to 16 in my opinion. But of course, yes, this is a downtrend move. So the markets are not betting on some kind of a huge upside on the VIX. So yeah, this is basically if I open right now the net flow, yeah. So let's have a look on the net flow. This is the volatility multi contracts. Yes, you can see that this is just a hedging, nothing else. So the downside exposure is still kind of in equilibrium, right? So this is the gamma exposure, and delta is supportive, but I don't think there is any much of upside. So pretty much of a I expect some kind of volatility and choppiness, not much of a downside move. So this is the premium net flow today. So yes, you can see that uh, out of the money hedging. This can be the puts taking profit, in my opinion, and hedging with some kind of calls. Yeah, Look at this. This is a hedging. But again, the monthly contracts, you can see it is just hedging, nothing else. So moving to the premium side, very interesting. Today after the London close right here, look at this put spike, and yeah, market anticipated, or the big guys anticipated the Trump speech, and that absolutely just annihilation of the NQ, -5%. What a crazy move. And for the conclusion, guys, so this is basically the 12-hour chart on NQ. So yeah, I don't expect anything crazy, any crazy down move from here, to be honest, despite look at this bearish engulfing candle on the 12-hour and this rejection from the 50 EMA. So yeah, that is basically a downtrend, but make sure you check these levels from 2021 December high and these huge support levels right here. This is a demand for me, that's for sure. So on a daily chart, you can see that it is also 382 retracement level, as I said, if we measure it from the uh, December 2022 lows, right? So max pain scenario can be to zero point 0.5. I don't know, but from here, I don't expect anything crazy to the downside. We can have some chop price action, some consolidation around this area, and another move up if we want to have a crazy move down. Uh, because there are some guys that are expecting a huge collapse in the markets, right? But yeah, we can see that we are already down 15%. Yeah, 25%, maximum 30% correction for the tariffs. I think it's okay. But if there is any black swan event again, we can have really nasty move to the downside. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Make sure you are not getting trumped. Just trade carefully, trade small. Make sure you follow the volatility, the VVIX as well, and overall stay safe, guys. And yeah, follow the channel, leave a comment below, and I will be here for you guys if you need me. Thank you so much. Bye.